In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the personal list feature in ClickUp. The personal list is a helpful place to keep track of your own tasks in one simple view. It's especially useful when you want to stay organized, monitor deadlines, and manage day-to-day work without getting distracted by other lists or projects. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the personal list, create a task, add important details, organize your view, and keep your progress up to date. To begin, open ClickUp and go to the Home area. From there, look for My Tasks and expand it if needed. Inside that section, select Personal List. This opens a dedicated space where you can manage personal tasks more efficiently. If you use ClickUp regularly, this view can become a central place for planning what you need to do next. Once you're in the personal list, the next step is to create a personal task. Look for the option labeled Create a Task or Add Task and click it. This will open the task creation field or window, depending on your layout. This is where you'll start building a task that you want to keep track of in your personal workflow. Now enter the task details. Start with the task name and make it clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. Then add a due date if the task needs to be completed by a certain time. You can also set a priority level to help identify what needs attention first. If the task should be assigned, add the assignee as needed. Depending on your setup, you may also see other fields that help provide more context. Taking a few extra seconds here can make your task list much easier to manage later. When everything looks good, create the task by clicking Create Task or simply pressing Enter. Your new task will now appear in the personal list and be ready for tracking. As your list grows, organizing tasks becomes more important. Use the Group, Filter and Sort options to arrange your personal tasks in a way that matches how you work best. For example, you might group tasks by status, sort them by due date, or filter the list to focus only on high priority items. These tools can help reduce clutter and make your list easier to scan. As you work through your tasks, remember to update your progress. Change each task's status as work moves forward, and when a task is finished, mark it complete. Keeping statuses current gives you a more accurate view of your workload and helps you stay on top of what still needs attention. Thanks for watching.